wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, it goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards. You unstable. See more comments. And I see commas.
So we've pretty much done everything we can for this unit and to this unit. This is how the curls look after I put some products in there. It does feel kind of like, I don't know, it feels kind of weird, but not in a negative way. I think it's because I put the leave-in conditioner on it, and the leave-in conditioner has like that, I almost want to say silicone-y almost texture. I don't know, but either way, the curls are popping, which is all I care about. The ends are a bit they do get frizzy, and I did bring all 3 products that I put in there down to the end, but I think that's just like a characteristic of this hair. So yeah, that's like the only downfall that I don't like. It's just the ends are just like trashy. I did wear it the first day I opened it after I bleached the knots and put the actual silicone mix on it, and I wore it for like a couple hours, and it wasn't tangling or anything. I had a hat on, but what I would say again is just the ends. Like the ends were really my problem, not even like the nape. The nape wasn't giving me any issue, it was really the ends. Like the ends are just like so brass, and not brittle, but just very brass. So maybe I can find a product to wear, and looking at it right now, I see like a couple split ends. So maybe that's why it's brass. So maybe I gotta like just like trim the ends a little bit, and that'll solve the problem. But other than that, the knots did bleach. I use a 40 developer. Usually I would use a 20 developer just to like avoid any type of like over processing, but the over processing actually gives it like a little bit of character. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to attach the clips. I was gonna put a not elastic, but like those like black bands on it, but then I was like, probably not, because my head is already kind of big and I don't want it to be tight. It's hot outside, it's already long hair, so I don't want another issue to have to deal with. So all right, let's put this on. I have a really big head, and this fit my head without like being super tight. I probably should get my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. I think it looks fine on camera, but in person, the stocking cap is such, it's like a brighter color, like it's a lighter color than my actual skin tone. Yeah, it's definitely showing up brighter on camera. It wasn't enough foundation, so I'm gonna apply some more foundation onto this cap so it's not showing so much. And the parts seem pretty, you know, middle. The parts seem pretty middle, so we're just gonna leave that as that. But yeah, I feel like if I take off the stocking cap, it'll actually match my skin tone better. So let me actually try that instead of like trying to put the foundation onto the stocking cap. This is it. Not doing anything else to this hair. All I did really was just take the stocking cap off, like I said, and then I put some liquid foundation on the actual lace itself, which honestly I really do feel like this is, I think they said it's a 3D lace, and it really is a 3D lace because it is blending into my skin right now. Like you can't really tell where my skin begins and where the actual lace begins. So the lace is very much workable with. Like I said, the knots weren't hard to bleach. I really didn't have to do much. All I did was put a little bit of foundation on the lace, and it blends. Like right now, I'm looking on Snapchat on this ring light, and guys, honestly, like I cannot tell. Honestly, like I cannot tell where lace stops in my hair. Again, like it's blending so flawlessly. Guys, hold on, let me fix this little baby hair. Listen, baby hairs are nothing to play with. Them things will haunt you in your sleep. Like but yeah, guys, this is it. This is the look. I like it. I really have to say this was a good buy, and this video was not sponsored. I used my own coins. I really wanted like a grab and go summer hair, and obviously curly hair is a summer hair vibe, but I didn't want anything too heavy. Like this is perfect for me. Like it's light, but it looks like it's about 2.5 bundles. It looks, but it feels like it's really like 1.5 bundle. It's not heavy at all. It's super light, so it's great for those hot summer days. The lace is definitely workable with. It's really giving me life right now. Let me actually see, because on Snapchat under this ring light, it's giving scalp. It really is giving scalp. So let me see what it actually looks like on the ring light. Yeah, it's giving scalp too, y'all. I told you I'm blind. Like I really, without my glasses, I cannot see nothing. Like I'm looking here. When I don't have my glasses on and I'm recording, I'm seeing just spots. So forgive me. But yeah, it still looks, it's showing up on camera great. Like this was definitely a good buy. I would definitely recommend you guys go get this wig. I think I bought it for $150 something or $40 something. Obviously I'll leave the link. I'll actually leave it on my Amazon storefront. Really love it. It's just giving everything that I wanted. Like I said, except for the ends, the ends are just giving brass, which I don't think it's showing up on camera like that, but the feel of it, the look of it isn't horrible, but just the feel of it, like it just feels like, okay, I need to get my ends trimmed ASAP. Aside from that, I love it. It's big head friendly, and I'm glad my head is kind of big, so I'm like a perfect reference for people that have a bigger size head and wants to wear a wig and is scared that the wig won't fit. Like right now, I feel like the wig is a bit bigger on my head. In the back, this little nape here, right here, I don't really like it. Usually I cut it off wigs, but because of this one, the length comes all the way down here. The best solution would just be to tuck it. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this hair, guys. Let me take off my glasses so that y'all can see how beat my face is. Like, I have not beat my face like this in a long time, and I'm actually very proud of this look. And I really didn't want to put my contacts in, so I'm just gonna interchange with my glasses. But yeah, guys, this wig, I would give it 8.5 out of 10, only because of the ends. But like I said, that's the only issue that I had with this wig. Really and truly, go get this wig now. This is not a drill. And I got it on Amazon Prime. So I think from like, I'm gonna do like a whole Prime wig series because it came in like 3 days. So it was perfect. So if you have somewhere to go, like a last minute vacation or last minute, you know, event, and you really want to go for that curly hair look, but don't want to invest much or go crazy with a frontal, I'm not beating no frontal for the summer. Just imagine having to glue down a frontal on my forehead in this heat. No. So I'm not beating no. This is really my summer hair. It's gonna be between this and hats. That's all I'm beating for the summer. But yeah, guys, again, thank you so much for checking out this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you do get this wig, leave it in the comment section and follow me on Instagram at Anna Cavalli and tag me in y'all pictures, because I want to see how y'all slay this wig. It's definitely slayable. So let me know when y'all do. Again, add me on Instagram at Anna Cavalli. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so your girl can get chit-chatting with you. And I will see you in the next one. Later.